how to add Cronos chain to MetaMask. Hello everybody, in this video you'll learn how you can add Cronos chain to MetaMask. Cronos chain is a network and adding it to your MetaMask wallet is essential for interacting with Cronos and accessing decentralized application on this chain. So the first step is to open your MetaMask browser. Once you've opened it up, on the page move to the top left corner where you can see your network drop down menu. Once you can see it, select it. Then in the box displayed, scroll down to check out for the Cronos chain. Then if you cannot find it, just go ahead and click on add network, and then after clicking on add network you'll be brought to the next page where you'll see the popular custom network. And then since the Cronos chain network is not here, just go ahead and click on add the network manually. Then the next step would be to enter in the name of the network. In this case it is Cronos, so just type it out. And the next stage would be to get their RPC URL. Now to get the RPC URL, the simple thing to do is to just go to your web browser, open a new tab, and then type the RPC URL of Cronos. Alright, and click on enter, and then you'll be taken to the page where you would see the RPC URL. You can see the chain ID as well as the symbol. So you can just go ahead and copy this. Just copy the URL straight up, copy, come back to your MetaMask, then you paste it, and then go back to the page, copy the ID as well. Alright, copy, come back, paste, go back, then as well as the symbol. Alright, copy it as well, go back and paste, and then scroll down and click on save, and just like that the Cronos network has been added. So you can decide to switch to it if you want, or you can remain on the current network that you are using. So this is how you can add Cronos chain to your MetaMask wallet. Thanks for watching and have a good day.